In this video, I will show you a highly effective 5-minute scalping strategy that will generate you insane profits. I will teach you how to enter trades, where to put stop losses and take profit targets, both for short and long positions. I will also backtest this strategy 100 times and show you the results, so make sure to stick around to the very end. Alright, let's get straight to the video. So, we are currently looking at a 5-minute chart of Tesla. Now let's introduce our indicators. For this strategy, we will be using 3 indicators to scalp the market, so open up this Indicators tab, and let's add them to our chart. The first indicator we will be using is called Profit Target Area. We will be using this one, so just left-click it to apply it to your chart. The second indicator we want to add to our chart is called Profit Maximizer PMax. We will be using this very first one, so left-click it. Our third and final indicator is called CM_Laguerre PPO. We will be using this one by Chris Moody, so once again, left-click it once, and we are finished with adding indicators to our chart. If you are intimidated by this chart, don't worry, because I will show you how to turn this indicator setup into this version, and we will achieve that by changing a few settings for each of our indicators. The first indicator we want to change is our Profit Target Area indicator. This indicator adds these green and purple target lines and areas. We open this indicator's settings by double-clicking one of these lines or one of these area borders. Now, let's start by modifying our style settings first. In here, we want to disable quite a few settings. First of all, we want to disable our resistance and support lines. Next up, we also want to disable 62% above and 62% below lines. Finally, we want to disable these first 4 areas, so 62% above, 38% above, 62% below, and 38% below. This is everything we needed to change in Style tab, so let's move on to Inputs tab. In here, we only want to change one value, which is S/our detection, from 10 to 14. When you're finished, press OK, and we are done with our first indicator. Next, let's change our Profit Maximizer indicator, which adds this moving average line, as well as this Profit Maximizer line. Double-click either one of these lines, and you will open settings for this indicator. Once again, let's first modify our Style tab. In here, we only want to disable the moving average line, which is this very first setting. That's all for Style, so let's move on to Inputs. We want to change these 5 settings here, so pay close attention. We want to change source from HL2 to close. Next, the ATR length should be 8 instead of 10. Change ATR multiplier from 3 to 3.3. Moving average type should be SMA. And finally, change moving average length from 10 to 6. Now press OK, and we're done with our second indicator as well. Finally, let's modify our third indicator, which is this CM_Laguerre histogram. Double-click any candle in this indicator, and you will open settings for this histogram. Let's start by opening the Style tab one last time. We want to change these first 3 colors first. Our color 0 should be green instead of red. Color 1 should be red instead of orange. And lastly, color 2 should also be red instead of gray. Now that we changed our color settings, we also want to disable this second percentile rank column setting, which will disable these 3 other color settings. When finished, open Inputs. In here, we only want to change these 2 percentile threshold settings. So, change extreme value from 90 to 85. And also, change warning value from 70 to 68. When finished, press OK, and we are done with modifying our indicators, as well as our indicator setup as a whole. Now let me show you how to trade using this scalping strategy, starting off with long position. In order to successfully execute a long trade, we need all 3 of our indicators to confirm a bullish direction of this market. So, to make things easier, I've come up with this very simple 3-rule strategy that will tell us exactly if we are in a bullish market and if we can enter a long position. Let me explain what 3 rules we will be using for this scalping strategy. Rule number 1, wait for buy signal. This signal is created by our Profit Maximizer indicator. This indicator creates buy signals, as well as sell signals, but for our long position we will pay attention only to buy signals. We will always wait for either of these signals before even considering entering a trade, so keep that in mind. Our second rule is that our profit target area must be green colored. As the name implies, this area is created by our Profit Target Area indicator. In our long position, we will be only working with green profit target areas. We will also use this indicator to set our stop loss, which will be right here, at the bottom of this green colored area, but more about that later. Now, let's add our third and final rule, which is that our CM_Laguerre indicator gives us a green candle. This indicator can find market tops and bottoms, and whenever this indicator is above this red line, we receive a green candle, which is our third and final bullish signal. You could also enter trades if the candle is only above this orange line, but it's way riskier, so I recommend sticking to our original rule, which is that it must be above the red line. Great, we set all 3 rules necessary for this strategy. Now let's see how this strategy performs on a real-time trading example. So, let's try this strategy in action. All we need to do is follow our 3-rule strategy, and we will always enter long positions correctly. Let's check if all 3 of our conditions are met. First of all, we can see that our profit maximizer indicator gave us a buy signal. That's a rule number 1. Our second rule is that we are in a green colored profit target area. These 2 conditions are met, so let's check our histogram for our third and final condition. Our final rule is that our CM Laguerre histogram gave us a green candle, signaling once again that we are in a bullish direction of a market. Now that all 3 of our conditions are met, we can confidently enter a long position. Like I mentioned previously, our stop loss will be placed at the bottom of our green colored profit target area, and the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. Now let's see how this plays out. Our bullish prediction was correct, and we made a profitable trade. If we were to trade with 2% of our account balance, we would have made around 12.2% of our account size. I highly recommend rewatching this part of the video if you still fail to understand how this strategy works, because right now I will explain how to enter a short position. For our short trades, we will be using the same rules we set for our long position, but they will be reversed, so if you are paying close attention up to this point, you will understand these rules very quickly. So let's start with the rule number 1, which is that we must wait for sell signal. Our indicator, which gives us buy signals for our long position, can also give us a sell signal, which is essentially a bearish direction signal, so we will use it in our short trade. Our second rule is that our profit target area must be red colored. In case of long position, we were checking if our area is green colored, which was essentially a bullish signal. But for short trade, we are going to check if the area is red colored, which will be a bearish signal, indicating that the price will dip even further. Our third and final rule is that the candle in our CM Laguerre histogram is red colored. In case of our long position, this candle needed to be above this red line to be considered a bullish candle, but in short trade, any candle that is below this line is considered bearish. Now, with all 3 rules for our short position set, let's see how this actually works on a real-time trading example. Just like with long trades, we also need to follow our 3-rule strategy while entering our short trades. So, let's begin. Rule number 1, sell signal. As you can see, this condition is met, so we can move forward and check our second rule, which is that the profit target area is colored red. Great, this condition is also met, so let's check our third and final rule. Our third condition is that our candle in our histogram is below this red line, so it is colored red. All 3 conditions are met, and we can confidently enter a short position. Our stop loss will be set at the top of this profit target area, and our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now that everything is set, let's see if our bearish prediction was correct. Our prediction was correct, and we executed a successful short trade. If we were to trade with 2% of our account size, we would have made around 6.78% profit just from this one trade. I explained how to trade both long and short position, but now I will backtest this strategy 100 times so I can show you realistic results you can expect by using this 5-minute scalping strategy. The importance of backtesting is something I cannot emphasize enough, and I believe every trader should do it because this is something that will put you into 1% of traders. You can record all the data by using Google Spreadsheet, or you can use a better route and use Trader Edge instead. Trader Edge is literally the best backtester on the internet. Thousands of traders around the world are using Trader Edge to get an edge on their competition. Trader Edge is 3 times faster than a traditional backtesting method. All you need to do is set your initial account size and a profit and loss per trade. Trader Edge will give you all the info you need about this strategy, such as the win ratio, the profit and loss, the maximum drawdown, and much more. Once you're finished with backtesting, you can save the results to the strategy library. Besides that quick and easy backtester, they've also got some other useful features on their website, such as the position calculator, which can be very handy for those who trade forex and commodities, the profit and loss calendar, where you can track your trading performance and make some important notes, and the indicators and strategies menu. Here you can find and download some super accurate tools for MT4 and TradingView platforms, and they've all been proven to work. If you're not entirely sure how to backtest, no worries, you will get a full step-by-step backtesting plan which has $100 value. If you're not sure how to build a profitable trading strategy, no problem, you will also get a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy which has $270 value. And if you sign up right now, they'll also include 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that have $100 value. So that's around $500 worth of bonuses, all for free, but only if you sign up right now. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there is absolutely no risk at all. So go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Now, let's see what results you can expect by trading with this strategy. The results are out, and they make this strategy the most profitable 5-minute scalping trading strategy on my channel. Out of all 100 trades, this trading strategy was profitable 82 times, meaning we got an 82% win rate strategy. With our initial account size set to $1,000, we grew our account by 691%, which is about $6,917. Our profit factor is 6.91, and Trader Edge gives our strategy score of 96 out of 100, meaning that this strategy works almost flawlessly. Now let's put this strategy on our list of profitable trading strategies. This strategy is the 6th one on our Trading Strategies Excel spreadsheet, and it's so far the best performing 5-minute trading strategy. It would have been the best trading strategy on my channel, but our holy grail scalping trading strategy beat it by just 1%. As we add more strategies to this list, we will compare them and we will eventually find the best trading strategy there is. So if you want to be a part of this journey, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.